Hello all, welcome to the day 6 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Manpreet Kaur is the national record holder for women in the shot put discipline. Her throw of 18.86 meter at the Asian Grand Prix in 2017 is the maximum distance for an Indian female athlete. Keeping her as a role model, Sanjita is determined to earn gold in Olympics one day. Initially, her throw reached 7.56 meter only. Being an athlete in school, she regularly practiced both in the mornings and in the evenings and was able to improve the distance by 9 centimeter every week. During the special camp for 15 days, she started with 40 throws and every day kept increasing the number of throws by 12 to achieve this remarkable progress. In the passage, we could see two APs. One is based on the distance of throw and the other one is based on number of throws. Based on distance, the AP is 7.56 meter, which increased by 9 centimeter every week. So it is 7.56 meter plus 9 centimeter and so on. Writing this in the same unit, 756 centimeter, 765 centimeter and so on. Second AP is based on number of throws, 40, 52 and so on. Question 1. How many throws Sanjita practiced on the 11th day of the camp? Now we have to refer to the AP based on number of throws. A11 is equal to A plus 10D. A is 40 plus 10 times 12, which gives us 160. Question 2. What would be Sanjita's throw distance at the end of 6 weeks? This question is asking the throw distance. So we have to refer to the AP based on the distance. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A is 756 centimeter plus 5 times 9. 756 plus 45, which is 801 centimeter. Converting this to meters, we get 8.01 meter. Question 3. When will she be able to achieve a throw of 11.16 meter? AN is equal to 11.16 meter. I'm changing this to centimeter as I had written the AP in centimeter. AN can be written as A plus N minus 1 times D, which is equal to 1116. A is 756 plus N minus 1 times D is 9. N minus 1 times 9 is equal to 360. N minus 1 is 40. N is equal to 41. That is, she will achieve 11.16 meter in the 41st week. Question 4. How many throws did she do during the entire camp of 15 days? So we have to figure out the sum of the number of throws in the entire period. Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. N is 15, so S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2 times 40 plus 14 times 12, which is 15 by 2 times 248, which gives us 1860. That is, she had practiced 1860 throws in the entire period. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Math with Meenakshi, for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.